Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today as always we are going to learn something about banana fingers. So if you are a farmer who is doing banana production, or you might want to start banana production in future, this is what you should know before you start it. So if you are a banana, we have different types of bananas, where there are those farmers who do bananas, ripe ones, and then they sell. There are those who are doing green bananas, and then they sell so that they can get an income. So depending on if it is green, or if it is you're going to farm banana for also getting ripe until it's market time, the fingers that is going to be produced by the a bunch of or a plant of banana is going to determine also the market price. So how do you make now the bananas fingers or fingers to be bigger in size? So it starts from the farm, and this is what happens if you are a banana farmer and then you have never known this trick. This is something that you're supposed to know. So if you want your banana fingers to be bigger in size, you are supposed to cut the bud, that thing which is always found beneath where the fingers have been formed. So why should you cut that the bud in the banana plant? So you're supposed to cut this bud because water and nutrients always accumulate in this area, and it is going to limit the banana fingers getting the enough water and enough nutrients for them to continue growing to be bigger in size. So and you don't cut it at any time, but ensure that you do it at the appropriate time when all the fingers have been formed and they are reach a state where no more fingers are going to be formed. So after that is when now you are supposed to cut it. If you leave it, the size of the fingers is not going to grow as much as possible, because I've said that a lot of water and nutrients are always accumulated in the bud size. So if maybe you doubt, you can make a control where you have one of the banana plant which has the bud and the other one has the bud being cut, and then you compare production. But I assure you that the one that is having the bud is being cut, it is going to have a bigger size of banana fingers compared to the one that the bud has not been cut.